All right, I'm hungry. You want to get some food?
Sure. Do you want to order something or do you want Chef Cameron to make something?
I'd rather not get food poisoning again, so let's order something.
Whoa, my cooking's not that bad. Plus, I just did groceries and the fridge is full.
Yeah, but can you make Doritos Locos Tacos? I'm craving it right now. And I got free delivery.
No, but literally, the fridge is right there, full of food.
Yes, but wouldn't you just want to sit here and have someone bring the food and make it for you? So that way you can keep watching The Bachelor season finale? Or do you want to spend time back there and miss the show?